Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to customize Control Center on iPhone or iPad. So with the release of iOS 18 or iPad OS 18, Apple has made Control Center more customizable than ever. Now you can add groups, move things around, and even resize control to suit your needs. So let me walk you through how it works. So first, open your Control Center. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access your control center. And now here to make changes, simply tap Add Controls at the top left corner of Control Center. You can also touch and hold anywhere outside the controls to enter customization mode. Now here at the bottom, simply tap on Add a Control option, and from there you can choose from suggested controls, search for specific control, or even explore the fully controlled gallery including controls from third-party app. Let's say we want to add Translate control. Just tap on it and it will appear on your favorite groups. Now, controls that have a handle in the bottom right corner can be resized. For example, tap and drag the handle on the flashlight to make it bigger. You can also reposition controls by simply dragging them where you want. And if you want to create even more section, you can swipe past the last group and you will have the option to add a new one. And once you are happy with your layout, simply tap outside any controls to exit edit mode, and you can also exit control center by swiping up or pressing the home button. And that's it. That's how you can customize control center on iPad or iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.